What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. I'm back with another Bitcoin update. Make sure to check out yesterday's Bitcoin update if you haven't, or if you're new to the channel. It just discusses how the bottom is basically already in, something that I've been saying since the 18th of June. And since the 18th of June, we've only seen higher highs and higher lows. So since the 18th of June, there has not been a downtrend. Of course, since November, yes, you don't need a brain to know that we've been in a downtrend. We've been calling it ever since we lost this low. When we lost this 39k low over here, which was in January, this is where we sold 50% of our crypto holdings, knowing that crypto was going to go down, and we also had a technical target of around 17.7k, with Bitcoin actually lowing out at 17.59k, so basically 17.6k. So we were just about $100 off the bottom, so we called it exactly. And we can see with the monthly candles, you've held it with the body. You can see the body closed above this high. So the next month we started coming back up, trying to reclaim this 55 EMA. And unfortunately yesterday, but there is a good sign, but unfortunately yesterday we did close below the 55. So actually what this signals is that we're now below. This is resistance. We should actually head low. We should actually break this low. That's what the monthly is saying. But we also use this blue EMA called the 69 EMA, and what I can tell is that we're actually now trapped between both. So our range for the month, according to these EMAs, according to the monthly EMAs over here, we're now trapped between the 55 and the 69, and that being 24.5k and 21.6k. So we would like to actually close the monthly candle above 24.6k to actually kickstart this bull run. Now, in the past, I've obviously, and yesterday I showed you an indicator that signals the bottom. Well, today another indicator that signals the bottom has just appeared, and this is on the monthly time frame. And we know that the monthly time frame is the most accurate time frame, because the higher the time frame, the more accurate it is, because it gets rid of all the waffle. If I went to the 15-minute time frame and I show you all of this, yeah, it just gets very confusing, guys. The 15-minute time frame, too many little movements. But if we go to the daily, it's gonna put all those little movements into one daily candle, or that 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the YouTube. Again, if you appreciate today's video, please leave a like. We're trying to hit 3.2k subscribers. I know that we can hit it, guys. There's so many of you watching that are not subscribed, so please, let's reach 3.2k subscribers this week, and of course help this video get to over 100 likes. So finally, with this indicator that signals the bottom, a new one that I have spoken about previously on the channel, but this is the 12 and the 20 on the monthly time frame. When this forms a bearish cross, yes, a bearish cross, so this basically means that this is a lagged indicator. And why? Because Bitcoin over years goes up only. It only ever goes up over years. It does not go down. There's nothing here that shows you over the last 10 years Bitcoin has been going down for the last 10 years. No, for the last 10 years plus, Bitcoin's been going up. So we're in a monthly uptrend. So even this drop over here, while everyone's panicking, it's still above this high over here. Sorry guys, Abby just jumped in the car. I took Abby to get her blood tests, but now she's done. But basically, this indicator, when it's previously shown up, the bottom was already in price. So this is exactly like the 55 and the 69 EMA, which I spoke about in yesterday's update. Make sure to go check that out. I'll link it somewhere in the video, top right corner. Just click the information button, I think it is. But here, the 12 is the blue one, the 20 being the purple one. When that happens on the monthly, the bottom was already in prior. So the same thing with the weekly time frame, with the 55 here and the 69 on the weekly time frame. If we go to that exact location here, we can see when the blue one crosses over the orange, the bottom was in prior. So it's literally signaling it in the same location as the monthly time frame. So the blue and the orange one, as we explained yesterday, here the low was already in prior. And if we go back to the monthly and we go check that out, which was over here, you can see in the exact same place the low was in prior. Once they crossed over, the low was already in. Once they crossed over, the low was already in. So history is repeating, the data is proving this, that history is repeating. Once this is crossed over, we should not lose this low. So it's all about holding this low. And of course, I've been telling you and making sure that I'm telling you in as much detail as possible the lows that we can't lose. That's all explained in yesterday's update. But just to finish off today, we didn't get the, as I said, we didn't get the nicest of monthly closes because it was below the 55, and that's basically saying, okay, now we're going to actually try and continue going lower. But I think that we're actually trapped between the 69 and the 55. So if we were to dump, let's say, you could actually find some support at in around 21.5k, and then hopefully for the end of the month. So probably expecting a dump first before continuation to the upside, and hopefully closing out the month above 24.5k for Bitcoin. So that's pretty much it, guys. Please like, subscribe and comment. Let's get to 3.2k subscribers, and I'll see you in the quant update later on. But please go check out yesterday's Bitcoin update. It is so important. Thank you, guys.